Good morning.
Fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and today, look where we are.
Today is going to be my first ever shop with me, and it's going to be at this lovely place. So we're going to go in. I'm not really looking for anything major, but ooh, I like that wicker basket right there already. I love the way they be having everything set up in here.
Okay, fam. When I normally come in the store, I love to go to the clearance department, but look at this blush throw. So I come in and I find that big red sign that's in the back that says clearance, and that's where I go.
I have two of those at home. Just haven't put them up yet. I need to buy this part right here. This so I can hang it. What's the LED? Oh, I'm supposed to be letting you see, right? I'll make a DIY. I don't know if that one will work. That type will work. Okay. Oh, look at the flowers. Guys, these are napkins. But we can DIY those. This flower ball. Look at this. Just vlogging. First time vlogging. Thank you. Oh, see, I like this bling right here. It's really nice. It will go really well, but I really want a clock to go in there so they can see the time. I wish this was in that frame. You know, my mind is thinking how I can make this. I'm sorry, guys. See how I can get this to be like this. You know I'm thinking. I want it bigger. The only problem is I could do that, but I wouldn't be able to change my batteries. Or could I? Because I could take this frame out, and when I stick this up here, I'll be able to get to my battery pack. So, problem solved. Get those two. Okay, so let's come down here and look at the vases or vases. Oh my God. Look, guys. Oh my God. You know I'm going to try to DIY it, right? Well, not try, I am going to DIY it. I love that. I could do that with this. Oh, I'll put a round one right there in the middle. Like that jewelry box. Okay, so I said I want to look at some art. I'm going too fast, I know, guys. Give me an opportunity to get a hang of this. Oh, let's see what this is. I like this to go in there. I don't find any more stuff that I like, I'm gonna come and get this. Look at that, guys. It's gorgeous. Salt and pepper shakers. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna DIY some of these. Yes, I am. Oh, guys, they have this fragrance in here. Something mist. Musk. I haven't had it in a while. Look at that big elephant. They get a cotton thing. Now we're looking at the pillows. They already have their Halloween stuff out. Fall stuff. Have their pumpkins out. This thing. I wish they had the green ones that I seen online. Good price. So guys, I'm here at the candles, and I'm a candle person. I really love them. Is anyone like me like to light candles but don't like to burn them? That smells good. But I can't do strong scents because it triggers my migraines. These are pretty. That looks like a DIY we can do as well. You can tell I'm a DIY person at heart because everywhere I go, I look to see what I can do DIYs with. I don't see a price on it. And look at the baskets, guys. Look, they have a lot of empty shelving. That means a lot of product is getting ready to come out. It's a certain type of thing I'm looking for. Oh, that's pretty. That's a heart. But I don't see that they have it. Guys, look. They got all different ones. Got the huge bowl. And it is on sale for focus camera. It says $119. Oh, and they got some hearts in rose gold. That's new. That's pretty. I don't see a price and I don't want to break it. I saw this one online. You can see they're not very popular. Okay guys, here's my glasses I want. Price. I love this tray. Oh, nice. Good. I don't want to. Oh, that's a good thing. I like that color. I like this one as well. Two different things. This one. This is my fave. Look at that. That is Me to a T. Look at that right there. This is really nice. Guys, I just want to leave you with some nice sayings. Hello, beautiful. That's you guys. You are my beautiful family members. Give thanks to God above for what you have. You always want to count your blessings. So I really enjoyed this little outing that we had at Pier 1. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Happy Thanksgiving. We're not there yet. Grateful and thankful. I am always grateful and thankful to you guys for all your love and support. And you need to pass that gratefulness and thankfulness on to someone else. Always know the best is yet to come for our channel. We are accomplishing great things here, and always stay humble and kind. So always stay humble and kind. Humble people, God always bless. Humble, meek, mild people. So stay humble, and I love you guys so very much. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our first shop with me video at Pier 1 Imports. I didn't want to make it too long, so I'll show you guys a little bit of goodies of what I got when I get to the house to put this all together. But don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember, guys, I love you to the moon and back, and to the moon and back again. I said that wrong, but you know what I mean. I love you guys. I love you to the moon and back again. There we go. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.